that means I still like you. Okay. Scale drawing. Okay. Scale drawings. This is going to be Gertrude's notes here. Now, a scale drawing is similar to the actual object, but is generally either bigger or smaller. Or smaller. So a scale drawing of a possible car or a boat, as long as everything lines up right, it's going to be a scale drawing. It's going to be 1-to-1. And Sydney, you got 7 minutes left. 6. The scale is actually the ratio of lengths on the drawing and its actual lengths of the actual what? Let's try that again. Actually read it this time. The scale is the ratio of the lengths on the drawing to the actual lengths of the object. So if I had a scale model of this beautiful historic building. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. No, it's no. But we're talking about history. So if there was a scaled model of this, if there was that stairwell over there that's outside, the ladder, that ladder would be also in the scale model, but it would be just the exact same size smaller as this building would be smaller. So if it's 1/5 its size, it would be 1-to-5, that sort of thing. Okay. For example, a room. In a scale drawing of a room, 1 inch represents 2 feet. So we have this here represented right there. In the scale drawing, the room is 11 inches long. How long is the actual room? So the scale of this is 1 to 2 feet, 1 inch to 2 feet, or 1 inch over 2 feet. To do this, we have to go back in time to when we did proportions. Oh, moans from the class. Solve for x to find the actual length of the room. So I'm going to have 1 inch is to 2 feet, same way that it is above it. And I know that the inches are 11 inches for the length of the room. And I don't know what that one's going to be. That's going to be feet. Come on. There we go. That one's going to be feet. And the way that I'm going to work this out, and gosh, that looks horrible because I don't have it zoomed in much. I have to cross multiply to solve for x, which would give me x multiplied by 1. I'm going to use parentheses here. Nope. We don't need to. We could. But it's telling us that the model is 11 inches long, and we're finding out how long the room is. So since this is referred to the word long, that's where we're using that one. And then we have 11 multiplied by 2. So it comes down to be x equals 22. And that's going to tell us that the room is actually 22 feet long. Yep.
Wait, how can you multiply 11 inches by 2 feet?
That is where we're finding the equivalent fractions. Because with this one here, notice how I didn't have any units. So that would be like feet inches, I guess you could say. But we just solved for x. That's what we're doing. We were solving for x. And what is the value of x? What is the unit of x? Feet. It's in feet. So since we're solving for the variable, not for the unit. Good question. Student asked, how can we multiply feet and inches? So that's an example of what we're going to do. And we only have 2 minutes here, so we're going to start it off with this tomorrow, okay? We're going to start it off with this tomorrow, 7th period. Okay? Other classes got to that, but we'll get to this tomorrow. All the other classes were expected to complete that. So Those are huge eyelashes. Or eyelids. Eyebrows? Eyebrows, that's what I'm looking for.